In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite Stuck on Update Available screen. First thing you want to do is you want to go here and make sure you exit Fortnite and Epic Games. So you would right click and you would click on exit. So as you can see, I have Epic Games here. I'll just click exit. If you also have a Fortnite running, also you want to exit it by right click and exit. So after you do this, you want to go here and type in cmd, right click, run as administrator, and here you would write these commands. So ipconfig /renew, and then ipconfig flush DNS, then ipconfig register DNS, and the last command is net winsock reset. And actually there's another command, so that's sfc/scan now. This is a good command because it scans your data and your files and makes sure that any errors are fixed and repaired. So once you finish, this might take a few minutes to finish, and once you're done, you can close this down and this should fix your issue.